Sound, water, and light. The Parallels of Sonoluminescence, Conception and Genesis by Ernesto Joseph Sandoval 1. What is sonoluminescence? Sonoluminescence is a physical phenomenon where a bubble in water collapses under the pressure of a sound wave, producing a brief flash of light. It was first observed in the 1930s and has fascinated scientists ever since because the light burst is extremely short, lasting trillionths of a second. The temperature inside the bubble during collapse can reach thousands of degrees, similar to the surface of a star. The process begins with sound vibration, traveling through water, ending in light. In other words, energy in the form of sound waves is converted into a micro-star-like flash inside water. 2. The spark of conception, a strikingly similar process, has been documented in biology. In 2016, researchers at Northwestern University captured images of zinc sparks at the moment of fertilization. When sperm penetrates an egg, billions of zinc atoms are released in waves. These reactions create bursts of light measurable with microscopic imaging. Again, the setting is water. The egg's cytoplasm is a water-rich environment, and the initiating action is a vibration interaction, leading to a flash of light, the visible beginning of new life. 3. The Genesis parallel. In Genesis 1-2-3, the Bible's creation narrative begins with waters covering the earth. The Spirit of God hovering or vibrating over the waters. God speaking, "Let there be light." The pattern is identical to what science now recognizes in both physics and biology: sound, vibration, water, light. 4. Universe and language. Even the word universe reflects this pattern conceptually. Uni means one, and verse refers to a passage of spoken or written language. Thus, universe literally means one spoken sentence. Modern physics describes reality as being deeply tied to vibration, string theory, sound resonance, wave-particle duality, while the biblical account describes creation as originating from a single utterance. 5. Why the parallels matter. These parallels don't prove theology in a strict scientific sense, but they are significant because they show that independent scientific discoveries, sonoluminescence and zinc sparks at conception, mirror the same sound, water, light structure. Ancient texts describe creation in this same sequence thousands of years before the science was understood. The naming of universe itself coincidentally aligns with the idea of creation through one spoken verse. Conclusion. From collapsing bubbles to the moment of human conception, science consistently shows that vibration and water can give birth to light. Genesis describes creation unfolding the same way. Whether approached from a scientific or literary perspective, the repeating pattern is striking. Sound in water produces light, and with it, life.